Hello everyone. We're going to walk two popular sightseeing spots, Mushirose and Kanami village, including Saiko Tunnel. And then we'll let you know about harvest season and a special local dish.
Look at this video. We can see many dynamic rocks. This is one of national parks and also one of the beautiful tourist destinations in Tokunoshima. Now, let's walk through Mushirose.
The white granite that was lifted by volcanic activity between tens of thousands and hundreds of millions of years ago has been shaped by a long-time wind, rain, and wave illusion, creating a dynamic landscape.
Mushiro means a log and ze is coast. This place is named Mushirose because the rocks look like logs spread out. We can feel nature to the full extent.
Each rock form has features one by one.
I'll show you my favorite. First, the candle rock. It is named after the shape of the rock. Second, the turtle rock. The rock looks like a big turtle, doesn't it? Last one is the woman rock.
The rock seems like a woman's profile.
They are really like art. There are many unique rock formations, so please try to find your favorite. A unique mature observation is also seen here. Japanese queens is used when dyeing silk threads woven into Oshima fabric, one of the world's 3-grade textiles.
Sisal has many sharp thorns, and it is known as healthy food. It composes unique landscape. Adan has many small thorns,
And it bears a few large fruits on it. Using Adan's leaf, you can enjoy making a hat.
This is Kanami Saika Tunnel. It's a tunnel made up of approximately 1,000 saikas, each estimated to be 300 to 350 years old, lined up in an arch shape over a distance of 200 to 250 meters. Have you ever seen saikas? Saika is a type of plant in the Saika family that grows in southern Kyushu and Okinawa. Inside the Saika tunnel, you can find the hidden spot, a dragon-shaped mulberry tree. Why not try and find it?
As driving through the road, you can enjoy lovely cherry blossoms. February marks the beginning of spring on this southern island and the start of the harvest season.
Tankans are kind of citrus fruits grown in southern Japan. Harvest season is February and March. Some people come to help harvest tankans from Tokyo and enjoy living in this island. It is very sweet and juicy, so it is popular as a gift.
This is a scene of harvest of sugar cane. Sugar is made from the juice squeezed from the stalks of sugar cane. It is grown in the southwest island in Japan. It is one of the main industries in this island. Harvest season is from December to the following March. Tokunoshima produces 173,000 tons of sugarcane every year, ranking second in Japan. Tokunoshima is famous for its new potatoes, which are harvested between February and April. one of the earliest in the country. Grown in mineral-rich soil, they have a fluffy texture and a sweet taste.
As such, winter in Tokunoshima is a harvest season for various crops. So farmers are very busy. Here are some popular rice bowls for this season. What do you imagine about rice bowl? A slightly unusual type of rice bowl is eaten on Tokunoshima. It's tamago onigiri. It is a rice bowl wrapped with thin fried egg eaten at lunch when working in the fields or on short outings such as picnics. The size of the rice bowls varies depending on the household, and some families put fillings inside.
Finally, we will let you know Tokunoshima's most beloved local dish, keihan. Keihan was originally created as a hospitality dish for visiting officials, prepared using only the simple ingredients available at the time. The dish is served with a bowl of rice and with ingredients like sliced ginger, sliced shiitake mushrooms, and roasted nori. Put ingredients together on the rice and pour a flavorful chicken broth onto it. Now it is a standard school lunch menu, so it's very familiar to us.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch the next one. See you soon.